Hey guys, this is Eric from Invensis Learning. Welcome to today's session on how to become a business analyst with no experience. Do you want to be a business analyst but lack experience in this field? Do you want to be a business analyst but don't know the prerequisites or what it takes to become one? Not to worry, we'll go over the simple steps to becoming a business analyst with no or little experience in this video. Before we begin, let us address the agenda. Firstly, we will talk about who is a business analyst. Then, we will understand how to become a business analyst with no experience. I hope the agenda is clear. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell never to miss an update from the Invensis Learning channel. So, without any further ado, let us get started with how to become a business analyst with no experience. We will first talk about who is a business analyst. By identifying ways to streamline the entire business process throughout the organization, the business analyst acts as a liaison between the business and the IT teams in a company. In addition, they communicate with various departments within an organization and recommend solutions to difficult problems. While a business analyst's responsibilities have evolved, in general, we can say that a business analyst acts as a change agent in the organization. Some of the other responsibilities of a business analyst are recognizing areas for improvement in business operations and processes, IT system design or modification, interacting with various stakeholders and subject matter experts to better understand their issues, identifying and analyzing the needs and requirements of the business, developing technical solutions to stakeholders' problems, being held accountable for all actions taken during the project's implementation. While this is by no means an exhaustive list, I'm sure you've gotten the gist of the business analyst role. These days, business analysts can be found working in various stages of project implementation, each with their own set of responsibilities, such as managing workflows during the process design phase. In the system analysis phase, interpret the requirements of the IT department. Recognizing the needs of the company during the strategic planning phase. Evaluating the defined policies and ensuring that they are implemented in the business analysis model. Now that we have discussed what a business analyst does, let us look at how to become one. How do you become a business analyst if you don't have any experience? This is a commonly asked question by anyone who wants to become a business analyst or transition their career to business analysis. But, don't be discouraged, there should be a starting point for every profession, with or without prior experience. Firstly, take a course to improve your skills. Continuing knowledge and skills, whether through a business analyst certification workshop, business analyst certification, or an online boot camp, is beneficial in a variety of ways. 1. They demonstrate to hiring managers that you are proactive and serious about staying up to date on the new trends and skills in this field, and 2. They ensure that your skill set is relevant to today's business problems. As an Exxon registered education partner, Invensis Learning offers live online training for business analysis certification. With Invensis Learning's Business Analysis Foundation and Business Analysis Practitioner certification training, you can advance your business analysis career at 2 levels. First, the 4-day live instructor-led training will help you advance your career. Assume you're competing against candidates who all have a bachelor's degree in business analysis. In that case, taking an additional course that teaches you a specialized skill or gives you hands-on experience with capstone projects can help you stand out from the crowd. In the next important step, familiarize yourself with the necessary skills of a business analyst. As with any profession, hard and soft skills can help you as a business analyst. While the exact nature of your daily work may vary depending on the organization for which you work, hard business analyst skills generally include statistics and data modeling, interpretation, and visualization are all part of the process. Management abilities for data business analysts. Some familiarity with common programming languages, particularly R and structured query language, SQL. Project management abilities, including best development practices. Strong analytical skills include business metrics, market insights, and competitive analysis. Because business analysts may collaborate with various departments and leaders to help inform decision-making, some key soft skills may benefit the role. That's why they must have excellent communication skills. The ability to design and deliver presentations, frequently distilling highly technical or data-heavy information into understandable language. Problem-solving abilities, including identifying and solving business challenges through the use of technology and new processes. Organization and the ability to multitask multiple complex tasks simultaneously are required. Leadership and decision-making abilities, including collaborating with executives and managers within the organization. Many professionals in any field use these soft skills. This means that by emphasizing these skills on your resume, you may be able to increase your visibility as a potential candidate for a business analyst role. For example, if you create presentations, speak with executives, manage projects, or solve problems in your current position, you may have an advantage. R Analytics, or the R programming language, is a free, open-source software that may be used for a wide range of data science, statistics, and visualization tasks. R is a strong, flexible programming language that can be linked into by solutions like Sisense to help you get the most out of business-critical data. Also, build a portfolio based on projects. Whether you're in the middle of a business analytics bootcamp, a recent graduate doing an internship, or work on a team unrelated to the business analytics division, also look for opportunities to work on various projects that will bring you closer to a career as a business analyst. Volunteering for projects that will help you develop your business analyst skills, working on a group project that will allow you to demonstrate your project management and business analysis abilities, and incorporating business analyst best practices into your daily work are all examples of this. To develop the necessary skills, knowledge, and experience for your transition into business analytics, be deliberate about what you choose to work on and how you work. A portfolio can be extremely useful when trying to get a job as a business analyst because it provides proof of your abilities. A business analyst portfolio, like a UX or data science portfolio, demonstrates your ability to manage projects from start to finish, from problem identification to data and business analysis, budget planning, solution development, and implementation. The best part of a portfolio is that it can be created even if you do not currently hold the title of business analyst. For example, suppose you've taken on the responsibilities of a business analyst in your current or previous role and used your project management skills in another capacity. In that case, you can document your work in a portfolio to show future employers that you have everything it takes to do the job. You may participate in projects to demonstrate your ability to identify problems, devise solutions, and comprehend change implications. Here are some projects you could complete to demonstrate your abilities. Look for opportunities to interpret data and develop strategies in your current role. You mustn't use or reveal any proprietary information during the process. Examine a common business process and use your knowledge to develop several solutions. Include solutions that make use of technology, such as automation. Examine how a software program can solve a business problem and make a case for incorporating it into current business practices. Create a case study that details a market or business problem and the strategies a company can use to solve or leverage it for business growth. Volunteer with a non-profit organization to take on any business analyst role and tasks. Do not forget to keep track of your progress and work. Moving on. Consider a lateral move from another position. Many business analysts start as data scientists, financial analysts, IT support personnel, quality assurance engineers, or business administrators. These business analyst backgrounds are beneficial because they provide ample work experience in dealing with business data and understanding a company's needs, expose you to a company's processes and workflows, and provide opportunities to develop domain knowledge. These professions also share skills such as analytical problem solving, data mining and analysis, and strong communication. It's not uncommon for professionals from other departments to step into a business analyst role. Many business analysts get their foot in the door by performing business analyst work within their respective teams while holding a different job title. It is necessary to get familiar with various business analyst tools. Business analysts use a variety of software to manage their work. Such softwares are required for project planning, use case preparation, system prototyping, wireframing, creating and managing user stories, and so on. You can find out about commonly used software. Power BI/Tableau for drawing diagrams, use cases, and workflows, among other things. Microsoft Visual used to create project plans. Jira, used in agile projects to create user stories. On the other hand, companies use enterprise software such as Rational Rows to create UML or unified modeling diagrams. Check with your manager about the software used and request access to learn it better. If your company does not have software access, you can sign up for a trial version of the software and get hands-on experience. Power BI, a Microsoft Business Analytics software, provides interactive data visualization by features that enable users to see and share data and insights throughout their organization. Power BI delivers insight data by allowing users to engage with data and explore it through visuals. Using the data models, create visualizations and reports. Learn data analysis. Data analysis is critical to being a skilled business analyst. Data analysis will be required during the project's inception, impact analysis, and almost every phase. As a result, you should concentrate on learning beginning today. You can begin with Microsoft Excel and practice data visualization with pivot tables, charts, and so on. The more you learn and practice, the more techniques you will discover. Next, examine the project reports your managers or project leads share to see how the numbers are represented. Finally, grow your network. Many business analyst job opportunities come through word of mouth. However, many business analysts have made lateral career moves due to their relationship building within their organizations, good communication skills, and interest in their company's business side. Learning to develop strong relationships with industry mentors and peers can also help you navigate the workforce, facilitate introductions to people who may be hiring, and provide information on business analyst opportunities that are not typically advertised. Some examples of questions to ask a business analyst at a networking event include: how did they end up in their current position? For instance, did they apply as an analyst or transition from another position? Their educational background and degree. If they belong to any professional organizations. What advice do they have for someone who is just getting started in the field? Attending networking events, let alone finding them, can be difficult. Here are a few ideas for meeting the right people. Join a professional organization whose members work in business analysis and related fields such as finance, accounting, information technology, data sciences, development, project management, etc. Ask any peer in your organization who works in an analysis role to discuss your career development with them. Take a business analysis course and talk to your classmates to see who has experience and knowledge to help you grow. When honing your business analyst skills, make sure to cultivate a large network of people who can help you become business analyst. With this, we have come to an end of this video on how to become a business analyst with no experience. I hope it was helpful. Invensis Learning offers live online training for business analysis certification. With Invensis Learning's Business Analysis Foundation and Business Analysis Practitioner certification training, you can advance your business analysis career at 2 levels. Check out the description box for more information. Also, subscribe and hit the notification bell to never miss an update from the Invensis Learning's YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.